Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today our topic is how to build a perfect credit score from scratch. 850 score guide. Why credit mattered. Your credit score is like your adult report card. It follows you everywhere. From buying a car or house to getting the best interest rate or even applying for a job or apartment. A low score can cost you thousands. A high score, it can unlock financial freedom. So what's the deal with the Elite 850 credit score? Is it even possible? Yeah. And I'm going to show you exactly how to build it from zero. This is the ultimate guide to going from no credit to an excellent score. Step by step, let's get started. Step 1. Start with a secured credit card. If you have no credit history, lenders don't trust you yet. The easiest way to start is secure credit card. You pay a refundable deposit, usually $200 to $500, which become your credit limit. You use it like a regular credit card, but the key is this: only use it for small management purchases. Pay the balances full every month. Never be late even once. Just start building your payment history, which make up to 35% of FICO score. Getting this part right from day one is crucial. Keep your credit card utilization ratio low. Step 2. Next step, credit utilization. How much of your available credit you are using. Let's say your limit is $1,000. You should never use more than $300 yearly. Keep it under 10%. This is show lenders that you are responsible and not dependent on credit. Make multiple payments per month. This keeps your utilization low when your statement is reported, giving you score a nice bump. For example, pay halfway through the month and again just before the statement closes. Step 3. Become an authorized user on a trusted account. Want to boost your credit score without a hard inquiry? Ask a family member or a close friend with great credit to add you an authorized user on one of their old, well-managed cards. You don't need to use the card. Their credit history helps build yours. You get the benefit without taking on their debts. Just make it sure its card is long account age, low balance, perfect payment history. This movement can jumpstart your credit score, especially if you're going too young and starting from zero. Step 4. Applying for the credit builder loan. Don't stop at credit cards. Diversify your credit mix. One way to do that is through a credit builder loan. Here how it works. You borrow $300 to $1,000 from a bank or credit union, but they hold the money in a locked account. You make monthly payment with interest. At the end, you get full payment back. The build installment credit history, providing you can make regular payment over time. It can also build savings. Step 5. Mix of credit type is key. Credit mix make up 10% of your score. Lenders want to see you can handle different type of credit, such as revolving credit, credit cards, installment loans, auto loans, student loans, credit builder loans. You don't need a mortgage or a car loan to get perfect score, but buy at least one installment loan or one credit can help healthy mix. Step 6. Age of credit is equal to time plus patience. Length of credit history matter a lot. It's 15% of your score. And here's the thing, you can't rush this. The average age of your account contributes to your score. So never close your oldest credit card. The longer your account stay open and active, it's better. Be patient. Credit age build over 100 years. This is why starting young or opening your first card ASAP is such a smart move. Step 7. Always pay on time, no accepting. This can be saved enough. Never miss a payment. Set up autopay for a minimum balance at least, then pay extra manually. Even one missed payment can stay on your report for 7 years and crush your score. Protect your payment history at all costs. Step 8. Limit hard inquiries. Every time you apply for credit, a hard inquiry hits your report. One or two won't hurt, but multiple inquiries in a short time can drop your score. Here's how to handle it smartly. Space out applications. Use pre-qualification tools before applying. Avoid applying for cards you don't actually need. Keep your report clean, make you look less risky to lenders. Step 9. Monitor your credit card remotely, regularly. Mistakes can happen, fraud happen, and you need to catch them early. Use tools like annualcreditreport.com for free reports, Credit Karma or Experian for score monitoring. Dispute any error immediately, especially late payment or recurrent you don't recognize. Stay on the top of your credit, help to protect your hard work. Final words, the 850 score is doable. Is perfect. 850 score is really possible, absolutely. But you don't need 850 to live well. Anything above say 760 already puts you in the top tier. Still aiming for 850 gives you the discipline and habit that lead to real financial power. Start with a secured card, keep your utilization low, build payment history, mix credit type, monitor and protect your report. Stick with the game plan and you could hit 800 plus in at least 12 to 24 months. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment below if you learned something today. Your financial freedom starts with the knowledge and you just taken the first step. Would you like to skip